I'm selling lead by the kilo nowadays. Who's next? Step right up. 50 bullets, no waiting. Ah, my next customer. Ah. Who the hell are you? I'm the Undertaker, and your boxes are ready. What are you talking about? You got 5 seconds to tell me where you're holding Frankie before I feed you to your own customers. Who does this guy think he is? Louis, Cheech. Break his legs for me, will you?
Break his legs!
Oh! Oh! Ah! This job would be great if it wasn't for the freaking zombies. Join the Mafia, meet interesting people, then whack 'em. Hold this guy. Oh! Oh! Hey, you still look pretty good. Here's the next one for you. That's some good cannoli. If you didn't want to die, you shouldn't have walked in front of my gun! Get him out of here!
Get that guy!
Doesn't anybody stay dead anymore? Stop trying to bite me, you freaking lunatics!
Bust your chops, pal! Break his legs!
You're making me nervous here. Spill it, Frankie. I knew you were up to no good. First you show up talking crazy, and suddenly every crumb in the city goes bananas. And now this whack job out there looking for you. What's that all about, huh?
Sonny, please. I don't know nothing. I swear I...
Don't make me hurt you, Frankie. I swear to God. Hit the bricks, punk! I'll take it from here! You got some balls, you, walking in here like that. I'm gonna teach you some respect, and I'm gonna have fun doing it.
That's some good cannoli!
I'll teach you some manners.
What is this guy? That's some good cannoli!
God, you're just like a turd that won't flush. He had more brains than I thought.
Thank God, mister. He was gonna whack me.
Don't mention it. Now let's get out of here before they realize what hit them.
Oh, okay. Wait for me. Who are you?
The name's Vinny. You can thank your boss, Mr. Belluccio. He's the one paying me to save your ass. But first, I want to know, why are you so friggin' important that he's making me go through hoops to get you to his place alive?
That's pretty obvious. You see, there's only one way to get out of this doomed city, and that's through the air.
What are you talking about through the air?
With that thing over there.
What the heck?
That's right, Mr. Vinny. With Mr. Belluccio's blimp. And guess who's the only one who can fly it?
You're a pilot?
That's right. Did my part in the Great War when the old continent was slugging it out.
Spare me the Patriot crap. Let's go to the Belluccios already so I can get paid and we can all leave this hellhole.
Ah, but we can't. The Army's built a stronghold around the bridge. They're shooting at everyone who tries to breach the perimeter, zombie or not. They even got the bridge rigged with dynamite.
Oh, yeah? We'll see about that. We gotta cross that bridge, and if they're not part of the solution, then they're part of the problem. We got guns, too. Come on, let's go. Oh, I bet it's gonna hurt in the morning. Would be great! I've been waiting for the freaking zombies! Goes the hot lead, out goes the guts! That's some good cannoli. I love the smell of burned zombies in the morning. Wait, no, I mean stop eating me!
No, please, don't hurt me!
That's some good cannoli. Hey, stop screaming like a girl and take it like a man. Tony! Thought you was dead! Should have stayed that way. Napoleon's blown apart!
Can't see anything with this fast. Drop a boy.
30 million to go.
That's some good cannoli. I can do this all day.
The change, you filthy animal.
That's some good cannoli. That's some good cannoli.
Oh, I'm sorry, I thought the safety was on.
To die, you shouldn't have walked in front of my gun.
What the? Frankie, what are you doing?
I'm sorry, Mr. Vinny. Our ways got apart here. I got my own plans with that Belluccio blimp. Your services are no longer required. Although I am gonna miss your zippy personality. But don't worry, I'll give you best regards to Mr. Belluccio when I collect your fee.
You bastard! I'll get you for this!
Ciao, Mr. Vinny.
Uh-oh.